Tuesday and we're doing math. Miss Norris just realized that I spilled coffee or something on my dress. Oh my goodness. But anyway, I am so excited. Today is Tuesday. We are getting closer and closer to the end of the school year. Remember, your last day of school is June the 2nd. So your last assignment will be June the 2nd. So let's get into the video. We only have a few more days. We got this. We're going to finish strong. And we are doing another way of learning how to add two-digit numbers. It's a strategy that we haven't learned yet, but you might know how to do it. And so I'm just going to give you a little bit more support and assistance with that. So let's get into the video and I will see you later. Bye. All right, guys. So today in math, we are going to do a different way of subtracting. Sometimes subtracting can be a little difficult for us because we're like, okay, I know when numbers get smaller, but how? I don't really understand. So sometimes when you see visuals is being able to actually see it happen. It kind of helps us better understand what we're doing. And so today we're doing day 1 of battling bugs. And someone asked me about this right here, the mathlearningcenter.org. Actually, that is a website that you can go on to help you with more alternative math assignments and help and assistance when you need it. So we're going to go ahead and go right into it. We are doing battling bugs. Susie Spider and Freddie Fly are playing a game of battling bugs. Fill in the sentence beside the strips to show the difference between their scores in each problem below. Write or complete a subtraction equation to match. So, it already told us what we're going to be doing. We are going to be subtracting. Now, we also should know that we are subtracting when we saw the word difference. We should have known, oh, difference means subtract. So that is what we're doing today. And I am going to help you with A and B. And then you are going to do the rest on your own. If you think, oh my goodness, if you think you can do this one at the bottom on your own, go ahead and do it. And then send me your answers either through Schoology or through the comment section. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we are going to do A. So here we go. Well, actually, let's look at the example first. So it says the difference between 6 and 3 is 3. That's another way of saying 6 minus 3 equals 3. And that's kind of what they put here. They put the equation down here, but they filled in the blanks up here. And so right here, they colored in 6 blocks. And then they colored in 3 blocks. That's why those numbers are on the side. And then they said, okay, how many blocks were left that I didn't fill in? And they realized it was 1, 2, and 3, right? Because those go here. And they said, oh, so 6 and 3 must equal 3 because that's how many I had left. So let's go ahead and do A. A is 5, so the difference between 5, remember the big number always goes first, and 4, and you're probably thinking, where are you getting these numbers from? Well, you have them here on the side, or you could just add up the blocks. So the difference between 5 and 4, well, let's see. Here's 5 and 4. How many do we have left? We have 1 left. So the difference between 5 and 4 is 1. All right. And then we're going to write our equation on the line. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Just that simple. Oh my goodness, so easy peasy lemon squeezy. So here we go. Let's go to B. The difference between, and we're getting the numbers here, or we could just count up the colored blocks, 7 and 7 is, we don't know, so let's go over here. We have 7 and 7. Do we have any left over that's not at the bottom? Nope. So the answer must be 0. All right? Because when we connect them, when we connect all of them, there's none left over. And left over, when I say left over, when you hear the word or read the word left over, that means subtract. And there is none left over. So the answer is 0. So our subtraction equation is 7 minus 7, and that equals 0. All right. So you're going to just go ahead and do the same thing for B, C, and D. And remember, if you feel like you are just good, go ahead and figure out what these answers to these equations are, and then answer the questions here. And then give me your answers either in Schoology or in the comment section below. So if you have any questions, reach out, and I will see you on Friday. Bye.